Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your earbuds CREATIVE Zen Air Pro on your iPhone. And basically we have a few options how to check it. The first one is to create a widget. We need to press and hold at empty space, then click Editor Plus at the left top, Add Widget. Then scroll down and you need to find batteries. And right here we have it, tap on it, and here's 3 presets. Select the best one for you, and then click Add Widget. And you can check a battery percentages right here anytime, but make sure that your headphones is turned on and connected to your phone. Now, we have also the second option is to use an application. And this one is a bit better. So open it, and if you add your earbuds to the application, right here you will see this menu, and right here we have a battery percentages of the left one and right one earbuds, not fully battery percentages like what we have at the widget. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!